If you're in the market for a new camera, the Nikon D5600 is a great option. It's a versatile camera that can be used for a variety of photography styles. When it comes to lenses, there are a few different types that work well with the D5600. In this video, we'll discuss the best lenses for Nikon D5600 cameras. Our first choice is Nikon AFS DX 35mm f/1.8G. If you're a Nikon user in search of a fast, prime lens, the AFS DX 35mm f/1.8G is a great option. With a maximum aperture of f/1.8, it's one of the fastest lenses available for Nikon's DX format cameras. The 35mm focal length is also a popular choice for general-purpose photography, as it provides a natural field of view that is neither too wide nor too narrow. Our second choice is Tamron 10 to 24mm f/3.5-4.5D. A new era of photography has begun with the release of the Tamron 10 to 24mm f/3.5 to 4.5D. This lens is a game-changer, offering a wide angle of view and a fast aperture. With this lens, photographers can now capture images that were previously impossible to capture. The 10 to 24mm f/3.5 to 4.5D is a must-have for anyone serious about photography. Our third choice is Nikon 50mm f/1.8G. If you're looking for an upgrade from your kit lens, the Nikon 50mm f/1.8G is a great choice. It's one of the sharpest lenses Nikon makes, and it's fast and quiet. It's also relatively inexpensive, making it a great value for the money. The only downside is that it doesn't have image stabilization, so you'll need to use a tripod or use a higher ISO if you want to shoot in low light. Our fourth choice is Tamron 70 to 210mm f/4D. With so many different camera lenses on the market, it can be hard to know which one to choose. The Tamron 70 to 210mm f/4D is a great option for anyone looking for a versatile lens that can be used for a variety of different subjects. It has a fast aperture of f4, making it great for low light situations, and the zoom range of 70 to 210mm makes it perfect for everything from portraits to landscapes. Our last choice is Nikon AFS DX 40mm f/2.8 micro. Micro Nikkor lenses are a series of close-up lenses manufactured by Nikon. The AFS DX 40mm f/2.8 micro is a lens that was released in 2009 for use with Nikon's DX format cameras. It is a normal lens, meaning that its focal length is the same as the diagonal measurement of the image sensor. This makes it a good choice for general-purpose close-up photography, such as photographing flowers or insects. If you are enjoying our video, please subscribe our channel and give a thumbs up. If you have any questions, that is know in the comments section below, and thanks for watching the video.